In this video, I will show you how you can download Human Fall Flat on your PC or laptop. So to download this game, first of all, you have to install Steam on your laptop or PC. So just go to Google, search for Steam here, open it up. Right now on the top right side corner, you will see this green icon which says install Steam. Click on it. Now here we have to install the Steam here. So once your setup is download, you have to click here and you have to open it up. Now click on yes and now click on next, select your language, select the location where you want to install these files of Steam. Then you have to click on install. After successful installation, you have to go to the store feature section. On the top right side corner, basically you have to type this game name, which is Human Fall Flat. As you can see here, there's a number 1 and number 2. So depending upon, we will download Human Fall Flat here. Click on it and you will get this option to buy this game. As it is paid game, so you have to click on add to cart. Right, once you click on add to cart, select this option. You are buying for your account or this is a gift. So this is from my account. Click on view my cart. If you have by mistakenly added to cart a different game, click on remove, as we are buying Malay Human Flat. Now click on continue to payment. Now you have to select this method from which you want to pay. I will select Visa. And after that, you have to select all this information here. Once everything is done, click on continue. After successfully buying this game, you will find the game in library section. Make sure there's a tick mark beside game and you will find all this game which you have purchased. Right, so let's say this is a game which you have purchased. Now you have to click on install. So after that, the game will get installed and you can play. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.